Welcome to our short tutorial on setting up and using the STX app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch device. Once logged in to STX for iOS, one of the three options in the bottom middle of your device will be the first to appear. You'll either first see the list view, the book view, or the tickets view. Across the top, you'll always see the person who is logged in, and an asterisk will appear next to the login user's name when the device is connecting to the STX server computer via the same local network. When a device is connecting from a remote location, the asterisk will no longer appear. In the top date bar, you have the left arrow, the word today, or whatever day is currently being viewed, and then the right arrow. Across the bottom, you have the word today, list, book, tickets, and goals. Tap Today in the top date bar to scroll through to a specific date, or jump ahead X number of weeks by tapping the Number of Weeks button. Tap Done once you've made your date selection. Tap the view that you wish to see across the bottom. To return to today's date, tap the word Today in the lower left-hand corner, and this will return you back to today's date. Tap the Logout button in the upper right-hand corner to log out of the STX for iOS. To confirm the logout, tap the big red logout box. To cancel the logout, tap anywhere outside of that bright red box. If you're using an iPhone or an iPod Touch, a Cancel button might appear underneath the Logout button. You would tap Cancel. Push notifications will only appear when STX for iOS is not running. So if we check in an appointment on our device, we can now see that we have checked in that appointment. Tap Launch to view the details, or tap Close to close the notification. And notice how the STX for iOS app has the number badge attached. Push notifications are controlled by Apple's Notification Center. STX for iOS is not responsible for making sure push notifications come through. STX for iOS has 4 different viewing options. Each option can be accessed by tapping the appropriate button across the bottom of the screen. The list view is a chronological listing of appointments for the date being viewed. The book view is a graphical display of appointments for the date being viewed. The tickets view is a listing of transactions for the date being viewed. And the goals view is a monthly goals calculations and expectations for the employees. On the list view, we have statistics, which is information about the appointments scheduled. Appointments are listed by time, and they are color-coded according to the appointment status. Tap any appointment to view the details of that appointment. In the appointment detail window, tap any line item to view additional details. Tap Edit to make changes to the appointment, or delete the appointment, and you'll be asked to confirm if you wish to delete the appointment or set the status to canceled. Tap anywhere outside that warning to cancel. In the appointment detail window, tap the arrow in the blue circle next to the client's name to view the client information. Tap Edit in the upper right-hand corner to make changes to the client card, email, phone, or address. Tap Future Appointments to view the future appointments for the client. Tap Past Appointments to view the appointment history. Tap the Service History button to view a listing of past services. Any services that might have a music note symbol would indicate that there's a formula associated with that service. And tap Retail History to view the retail purchases. Tap the Client button in the upper left-hand corner to return to the appointment detail window. Tap Done in the upper right-hand corner when you've finished, and tap the Appointment button in the upper left-hand corner. Tapping the photo placeholder next to the client's name will allow you to upload a picture of that client. Tap Edit first, then the photo placeholder, and you'll have the option of either Take Photo or Choose Existing Photo. Whichever option you choose, the photo will be uploaded to the client's card. Tap Done in the upper right-hand corner, and then back to Appointment, and then Today to view your listing or book. The book view is a graphical display of the appointments on the booking calendar for the day being viewed. Appointments can only be lengthened, shortened, or moved to another time slot from the STX desktop. Tap Any Appointment to view the appointment detail information. Tap Edit in the upper right-hand corner to add a photo of the client or make changes to the appointment. Add an appointment note, such as the client will be late or would like a drink when they first come in. To gain access to the client card, tap the arrow in the right circle next to the client's name. Here's our music note symbol where we have a formula that was entered at some point in the past. Tap Service History in the upper left-hand corner to return to the list of services, and tap Client in the upper left-hand corner to return to the client card. Tap Appointment to get back to the appointment, and then tap Today to get back to the book view. To book a new appointment in STX for iOS, you can double tap on any timeline under an employee's column, or you can press and hold on a time slot. It turns the time slot blue until you release. It brings up the new appointment detail. Tap the first last line to add a client's name. You can search for an existing client or tap Add Client to add a new client. If tapping Add Client, simply enter the client's name, enter the email address if you have it, enter the phone, tap Save when you've finished. Tap each line item. Choose the visit type. Save in the upper right-hand corner. Was the appointment pre-booked? If yes, set the slider to the on position. Was the employee requested? If yes, set the slider to the on position. Tap Add New Service at the time you had selected. Select the service the client wishes to receive and tap Save. Continue tapping Add New Service until all services have been added to the appointment. Add an appointment note, such as the client would like to have a shorter haircut, and save. When you're through with the appointment information, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner and you'll see that appointment appear. We also see the appointment appear in STX Desktop. The STX for iOS allows you to stretch the screen to zoom in and pinch together to zoom out. This concludes our STX for iOS tutorial. If you require further assistance, please contact the STX Education Department.